There you go. Oh, come around quick. That was a big one. Go to the friend's time again.
Come on, birdies, get that bread. I'm waiting for Dad to come over here.
You kick them away. I go with you, don't just kick the cat. What that is?
I'm gonna leave it.
Then toss it up and kick them when they're on the way. Oh, that one here. That one there. That's one over there. They got a bad there. They got a bad.
I'm gonna wait for the bread. Be on a piece.
Get the bread in there. Right now. Dang! I caught it in midair.
Uh-oh. Got one. Got the other one.
Dang!
So that one.
I want that in the kitchen in my hand. I don't want to snatch the whole bread. I don't want them to bite me. I don't want to.
You want it?
I don't want to. I'm scared.
The bird, I ain't cool for you. There you go.
No, they missed it.
There you go.
I'm scared they might pick my hand. Yeah. I don't want to blow up these birds. Julius, get your own bread. Get your own bread right there. You lazy.
Go high. I'm gonna fall up. I'm gonna fall all the way down. No, I ain't saying for it to fall.
Dang.
Like little airplanes in it, doing an aerial attack. This brother, get my bread. There you go.
Dang.
Snatch it and go.
Snatch and go. Alright, do another one.
I'm dropping. Goes off straight down.
These birds ain't wasting no time. I hate to be in a fight with these birds.
I know.
For food.
Whoa.
Cause they probably call me.
Up the first shot to catch it.
You missed. They missed it.
I took you.
Go on it.
Got a faster camera. Got to catch you before the there.
I'm not taking the picture. I'm videotaping it.
Boy, a lot of you get off the boat.
Yeah, we better leave after a while.
What with cheese crumbs?
You can find out.
I know I'm gonna throw a whole bunch of crumbs out. See them.
I'm scared to hold this in my hands, buddy. I'm gonna see if they cause I don't want them to pick me.
I gotta hold your crumbs. Cause for the bird, I'm gonna see the bird.
I'm scared. Oh my gosh.
It's still going after it too. Shooting now, catching the crumbs.
I wonder if I put a piece of bread in my mouth, they come and snatch it up.
Like your tongue trying to get to it.
Oh, I know. I ain't that crazy.
Well, now you come. You too late.
Hey, get this. Oh, they got it in my hand. Oh my gosh. Yes, they got it in my hand. Yeah, I let it go real quick. I let it go real quick. I was trying to videotape it, but it was too fast. Yep. I should go in there and get some more bread. I wonder if they take that fruit.
Oh yeah,
Let's try the fruit tonight.
Yeah, I know.
No, take the banana earlier.
There was?
Taking the
Taking a
banana.
banana.
Oh.
Walking on the thing trying to get to it.
They'll snatch your food up.